Hello everyone, welcome to Manu Vlogs. So we are into the day 2 of Meghalaya trip. First day went fine from Assam to Meghalaya by road, close to 5 hours. Yeah. So let me introduce our first person, Mr. Gangadhar.
Hi.
Say hi.
Hello, hi everyone.
So he is our guide, and we also know him from Hyderabad. So he stays in our flat. So say hi, Gangadhar.
Yeah, once again, hi everyone.
So what do you have to say about this week?
This week has started with very high energy people. So we are very happy. I'm very happy to be with a group which started enjoying from day one. So that's about it.
Thank you, Gangu. And then we have our family, Kartika family. Yes, say cheer. Woo! Say hi. Hi. Where are the kids? Say hi. So everyone's excited to the day 1. And where are we going, Gangu, today?
We are going to Arwa cave, which has 60 million year old fossils. And then we go to another cave called Mausmai, which has very good formations of stalactites.
Okay.
And then in the evening we go to India's tallest waterfall called as Naukhalikai.
Wow. So too many places to visit. I will try and catch some more of our video of day 2 and then see how it goes.
Please share, subscribe to our channel.
We have our good good driver Kankan, right? He's from Assam, and he has been taking care of us from yesterday. A good drive, really good drive in his van. Yeah. And the place where we are staying, probably I will come to it more tonight or by tomorrow. Keep watching. Subscribe to Manu Vlogs. And please press the bell icon. See you soon.
If you like it.
If you like it, please share it. You will see beautiful places, and you will get to know more of the eastern side of India. Right, a beautiful place, very beautiful. And the temperature here is awesome. It's just 9 degrees in the morning, and it may go down till 7 degrees. But yeah, it's a pleasant weather. The sun is out by 6 a.m. in the morning, and we are enjoying the trip. If you see the roads and all, it's slightly curvy roads, and there's a mountain on the left side, multiple small valley. Right. So Gangu is helping us to show the mountain. I hope he doesn't drop the mobile. Yeah, it's beautiful curves and turns. Lovely place. Awesome. And this is the first time that we are traveling to the this side of the world, this side of India. Right. Good. So see you soon. Probably I will come again once we are in the caves, and then we'll catch up again. So that's it from Manu for now. See you soon. Bye bye. Beautiful valley out there. See the beauty of the valley. Very nice. That's Gangu. That's Anish, my brother-in-law, taking some snaps from the window of the valley. Okay. Wow, beautiful turns. The beauty of Meghalaya. See the valley. See those roads.
7 kilometers.
7 kilometers, yes, approximately 7 kilometers of this valley. A nice wind, chill wind. So we have reached the caves, but see the view from the cave side. Beautiful valley. Wow, amazing. Wow, that's so beautiful. And that's our vehicle. That's Mr. Anish. That's my mother-in-law. That's my wife's auntie and uncle. Gangu. That's my sister-in-law. That's one more aunt. That's my son, Vaishnav. That's my daughter. You can hear some nice talks. That's Vedu, my brother-in-law's son. Come down, come down. Yes, I have taken. Have you taken yours? Okay. And that's my beautiful wife. Okay. Let's proceed to the caves. 300 meters walk, and then we'll see some fossil cave. Let's see what's waiting out there for us. And here we walk towards the cave, surrounded by the valley. I can hear some rattlesnake sound. We are into the wild. I don't know if you can hear it. See the rattlesnakes. Maybe we can spot some rattlesnakes. Wow, that's a small bridge. I hope it can carry my weight. Walk, walk, walk. Walk fast, ladies. That's a nice message. Enjoy the walk, listen to the insects, birds, appreciate nature. That's exactly what we are doing, appreciating the nature. Walk fast, Tanu. Go in front of Amma. നേരെ പോ.
റഗഡാണ്.
And we have some professional photographer here, Mr. Anish. And there's some slight waterfalls there between the valley. See the valley, beautiful valley. Wow, see the valley. Wow. Where are you going, Tanu?
Are you a superstar? I am going. Are you a superstar doing something?
Yes, we all are superstars. That's a good climb to the cave for a fat man like me, burning some calories. Wow. Okay, you shouldn't set foot or climb the railings. Wow, what a view. And see those insects sound. I mean, hear those insects sound. Oh man, see from here, so deep down. Whew. Amazing. See the view from here. Wow. Wow. Beautiful, breathtaking view. And that's the way to the cave. And see the beauty. See the beauty. Wow. Wow. What lovely beauty. Such a beautiful valley. My goodness. And far away you can see Misty Valley. I mean, I don't know if it's called Misty Valley or not, but you can see those fog. Wow. So beautiful. You should be here to be in person to see this breathtaking view. I'm just capturing few snaps and videos so that I can remember it later. Maybe I won't come again and again, but yeah, whenever I come back next. Wow.
Can you read and tell me?
Okay.
What the poses are they? Okay, this is too detailed. Can you go look at that word? Yeah. Try to understand what they are saying there, then we'll go inside.
Stalactites, yeah. I know stalactites.
Okay, what is a stalactite? It's okay, we'll go see inside. So if you three kids say that you don't know what you read there, then I'll ask somebody else to tell or I will tell.
And then he'll give the
Giving you the first chance.
Huh?
Try to
What
understand what is there.
Chocolate. So I choose.
If you read this board, then one will take you through the mountain.
read it.
Read it. Come on.
Why is Deepati just
Come on, Tanu. Read it. Loud. Everyone can't hear.
Say loudly.
The Arva Lumshina Cave, an important tourist attraction at Tirupati in Khasi Hills, district of Meghalaya. It's a huge natural cavity formed underneath the Earth's surface by solution activity within the limestone rock. Geologically classified as shellar formation of Gentia.
Here volcano starts.
The natural acidic groundwater with dissolved carbon dioxide that comes directly from the atmosphere or decaying organic matter in soil heats through the crevices and the joints of limestone. This slowly dissolves the carbonate rock, forming cavities which join up to form large cave network over millions of years. The same water again deposits solid calcium carbonate in the underground cavities by losing carbon dioxide through degassing, and it forms various fascinating variety of cave deposits or speleothems, which include the stalactites hanging from the ceiling of a cave and stalagmites built up above the floor of a cave. In addition to the stalactites and stalagmites, the most interesting aspect of the Lumshina cave is the presence of well-preserved fossils in great abundance along its wall and roof. Most of the fossils here belong to class Gastropoda under phylum Mollusca. Further, the limestone is also rich in microfossils in addition to the mollusca. The fossiliferous limestone of Shellar Formation was deposited in a shallow marine shelf environment existed during Paleocene, which was 5.6 to 6.6 crore years ago time, and it mainly represents episodes of marine transgression along the southern margin of the Meghalaya plateau.
Very good. Thanks for doing that. So, 60 million year old. There was no human being. There was nobody on the earth. There was no land mammal. Nothing. Their crocodile, tortoise also was not there 60 million years ago. Okay. And he used a word called marine fossil. Okay. These are all small fossils. Everybody thinks fossil means dinosaur. Okay. But here there are small fossils. So if it was under the ocean, as marine means under the ocean, fossils under the ocean. Now we are on a mountain. For the kids, I am asking you, what was under an ocean? How did it come on a mountain?
I don't know.
This was underwater.
I don't know.
So if it was underwater, how come we are seeing it on a mountain? We should have gone to a beach, no? Isn't it? Common sense says that we should have gone to a beach. Isn't it? How did it come to the mountain here? Anybody can tell?
No.
No? Okay. So basically Himalayas was formed like this. Okay, what was ocean bed? Okay, because two big continents were pushing against each other like this. And then because of the pressure it started growing like this.
Actually, this is
And Himalayas, which is you find near Kashmir, Nepal, Sikkim, Bhutan, Arunachal Pradesh, and going all the way till now here to this is all form of Himalayas. Just because it does not snow doesn't mean this is not part of Himalayas. So what was in the ocean when it came up like this, the fossils also came up with it. And the mountains are formed. That is why he noticed that the rocks are soft here. Because it's still that soft rock, not granite rock. In Hyderabad, we have granite rock. Hard, it's 1 billion years old. Okay, but this is not 1 billion years old. It is only hardly 60-70 million years old, these mountains. So that's why they say Himalaya is a very young mountain. Whereas in other places, it's all very old mountains. Then the second thing is, how did this cave form? Okay, did somebody dig this cave?
No.
No. Then how did it form?
Don't know.
Don't know. Very good answer. Acidic groundwater. Yes. So acidic water. So you will learn later on. I will not bore you with that. So this rock is very soft. It's made of limestone. Let me give an example. If you take salt, the salt we eat, and put some water in it, what will happen to the salt? It will dissolve, isn't it? And then it will become part of the water. And if wherever it got dissolved, if the table is like this, let's say you put salt on a table, and the table is not flat like this, and then if you put water, then what will happen to the salt? It will flow away. Mountain is also like this. So when rain is falling on top, it dissolves with carbon dioxide. Okay, then it becomes carbonic acid. Then carbonic acid falls on the top, like the top of this mountain. Then it goes between the rocks. As it is going, it dissolves the salt, which is limestone. And then it goes away. Like this, from millions of years it has happened, and then now huge cavities. Then some people ask, why is the side of that cave did not dissolve? Because it's not made of limestone, it is made of granite. So granite does not dissolve in carbonic acid. So it is stayed. Whatever dissolves in carbonic acid went away. It went down this river, went down, went to Bangladesh, from there it went to Bay of Bengal. Simple. Right? So now you understand what you are going to see?
Yeah.
Chalo, let's go inside. And you don't have to be afraid, you will not get lost in.
Okay, we are entering the caves. Beautiful caves. Everyone have their headlights on. So that's called stalactite. Unni, smoking is injurious to health. No smoking inside the cave.
Start continue. There. Still with water seeping in, still this can go off, right? So maybe after few thousands of years.
I don't know, so sure. It's very narrow steps.
Because generally when you enter it, you will larger, then you will have that pungent smell in the river. Where is it? Dropping smell in the river. What is this glittering?
What is it? It is something in water. Very good observation. It is water particles which has come through the rock. After some time it will become a drop and fall down.
I think there's not much of tourists, but still you can see few tourists today as the restriction eases out. More and more tourists can come and visit such places, beautiful places of Meghalaya. Oh. See here, come. We'll wait here.
Menu is there, Vaishwata is there. Go.
You'll come out from there. Go, go.
Okay, hide and seek. Okay, I'll
Yeah.
try to find you. Come, come, come.
You come out from there. Go, go. So Tanishka is kind of don't want to go. She's mama's girl. Always want mama to be with her. But yeah, I think. Paichu, be with Tanyo. Bye. See you the other side. Bye.
നമുക്ക് പോവാൻ പറ്റില്ല ഈ താറാക്കോഴി പോലെ നടക്കണം But we have to crawl, right? We have to crawl, right?
Some water flowing. It's actually a cave. This is my first time. Okay. Be careful of your head. I'm still vlogging, yeah. I need to show my viewers this beautiful cave. Oh. So I'm actually walking now with my head down so that I don't hit. Yeah. Give your respect to the mountains or the caves. Bend down and give respect. Hey, Peekaboo, we found you. Are?
You know, it was so deep. It was so deep, so deep, so deep.
Be careful.
Thirsty water.
Huh?
Species
See
that
up here?
most like insects or okay, marine life.
Marine life, the presence of marine life.
ഇത് കണ്ടോ ഫോസിൽസ് കണ്ടോ അന്ന് കടലിന്റെ അടിയിൽ ജീവിച്ചിരുന്ന മൃഗങ്ങളുടെ ഫോസിൽസ്
അതൊക്കെ വരച്ചേക്കണല്ലേ
ഇതാണ് ഫോസിൽസ്. യു ക്യാൻ സീ ഹിയർ, നോ? സീ ദിസ്.
ഓക്കെ
മറ്റേ ശംഖക്കില്ലേ?
ഓക്കെ ഓക്കെ ഓക്കെ
ഇതാ, സീ ദിസ്, സീ ദിസ്.
യാ ഓ യാ ദിസ് ഇസ് റിയൽ വൺ
ശംഖ ഇതൊക്കെ മാറ്റിയാണ്. ഇഫ് യു ഫീൽ അത് കാണാം, അതിൻ്റെ പ്രൊജക്ഷൻ കാണാം. ശംഖ് അതൊക്കെ ഇതില്ലേ, ഇതാ വരയൻ ശംഖ്, ഇത് ചക്രശംഖ്. നമ്മളത് അങ്ങനെയല്ലേ പറയാ, അല്ലേ? നമ്മൾ പറയുന്ന അങ്ങനെയൊക്കെയല്ലേ പറയുന്നത്. ഇത് വരച്ചതാണ് കേട്ടോ, ശ്രീജ പറഞ്ഞ പോലെ. ഇത് ഫോസിലാണ്. ലുക്ക് അറ്റ് ദിസ്. ശംഖാണത്, ഇങ്ങനെയുള്ള ശംഖാണത്.
Yeah, they say it's fossils, but it looks to me like it has been carved. You never know. It might be real fossils as well. What do you say, Anish? Doesn't it look like it's carved here?
It's a real, look at real fossils.
Okay.
I'm sure that it is a fossil.
Fossil,
Like
is
a
it?
fossil stone.
Okay. That's nice. That's some. It looks like a smiley face. Some really smiling creatures were there. Where next?
No, see this. Look at this.
Ah, yeah. Nice. Now,
This, take care of your head.
take care of your head.
You need to take care of your head.
Yeah, the tallest man in our group is my brother-in-law. He needs to definitely take care of his head. But yeah, it's a beautiful cave. There's some stream of water. Flowing.
Manu,
Ah,
take this. See this. This one.
yeah. That's some real fossils there.
Also here.
Wow, beautiful cave.
Brava.
And the kids are enjoying it with their headlamps on. And everyone is enjoying. Some interesting caves.
എന്തോ ഇത് കണ്ട സാധനങ്ങളൊന്നും എനിക്ക് കിട്ടിയതായിട്ടില്ല.
holes like a beer cans.
ഇല്ല. നല്ല റിലേറ്റീവ്ലി ബെറ്റർ അല്ലേ? നാട്ടിലൊക്കെ ആണെങ്കിൽ ഇപ്പോൾ അവിടെ എങ്ങനെ ഉണ്ടാവും? ഗൗരിയങ്ക. They don't know the value of
Lollipop. I found that for me.
Whoever finds more fossils there.
Interesting caves.
ഞാൻ
inside the wall.
അവർ കുറച്ച് ദൂരം നടന്ന് പോട്ടെ അല്ലെങ്കിൽ ഞാൻ കുമ്പിട്ട് ഇങ്ങനെ നിൽക്കേണ്ടി വരും അവിടെ.
Wow. See inside. Lovely caves inside. Oh, see this. See this. It looks like a brain. Oh, lovely fossils.
അതന്നെ ഇതാ ഇതുവരെ നോക്കുമ്പോൾ ഇങ്ങനെ നോക്കുമ്പോൾ ഇതാ
Some big fossils out there. You never know. Something's hidden behind this. So now we are back after the great cave visit. And no one is tired actually. Everyone is enjoying.
Did you see us?
How was it?
Awesome. We enjoyed, really enjoyed.
കിട്ടിലും വ്യത്യാസമായിട്ടുള്ളൂ.
How was it?
ഇത് എന്നെ കാണാനില്ല.
How was it? How was the cave visit?
Oh, it was good.
How was it, Chirime?
Fine.
Fine. How was it, Vedu?
Fine.
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 Only fine. Did you enjoy?
1,000 points.
You can look at their legs and pants, so you know how much they enjoyed. Yeah. Gangu, how was it?
Ekdam fine. I enjoyed it.
Yeah. Thank you. Thanks for this beautiful cave visit. It was really nice. Very nice. Yeah, she will do it. Oh, no. She is trained. Last time Gangu only had trained. It's like cakewalk for her.
Cakewalk means?
Cake is like so.
Where is White Chota?
Wow. Turn. Turn and sit. Turn. Yeah, turn. Very nice. Turn and sit. Wow. Not slip. I'll take a photo then. While is not. Keep. T-shirt तारे. Pull your T-shirt down.
Oh my God.